All right, now we're gonna eat.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Fast Farm. My name's Jim Fitch. I'll be your driver for this afternoon. And now you can sit back and enjoy the ride.
Like, bro, this is crazy. Loving every second of it. Trying to follow this line with this dude.
Oh, by the way, this is my first day at the track. Let's go! I'm telling you, you would not believe how well this car handles. We got us a 2019 BMW M850i X-Drive. Bro, I cannot see shit. And we are moving. Man, here we go. Ooh, 110. Shit. Yo, this is insane for a first day on the track. Hey, yo, look at the G-force gauge on these turns. It's crazy. Like I said before, this car has unbelievable handling. Like, we're all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering. She's just a beast. If you ever get the opportunity to drive one, let's just say I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. Bro, you hit the gas and she just pulls. Coming in hot. Ooh, I saw that little slide. He kept it together though. Yo, this is such a sick experience. I will definitely be back on the track. Hopefully on a nice sunny dry day. I'll tell you what though, this will be an unforgettable experience. First day on the track. Oh, by the way, it's raining. Like, this is nuts. All right, coming back up on the bowl. God, I love that sound. You see that G-force gauge pulling hard. All right, now we're moving. Let's go. I can't really see, but that's all right. I can see the lights. We'll be all right. Woo! Hey, thanks for watching Fast Farm, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more fun. Let's go!
I'ma drive it like a Stoley.